Hello, welcome. Today we will derive the constant rule of the differentiation from the product rule. Okay, so we know that the product rule is the derivative of u times v is equal to u derivative v plus v derivative u. Okay, this is the product rule. So let's derive the quotient rule from the product rule. Okay, let's set we need the derivative of function g, that's u divided by v. U divided by v. We can write our goal is we need the g derivative. Our goal is the g derivative. Let's rewrite u as gv, and you know the u derivative is g derivative multiplied by v plus g times the v derivative from the product rule. So let's solve the g derivative from here. So g derivative, this implies g derivative v is equal to g times the v derivative minus the u derivative. Okay, so let's divide both sides by v. So g derivative is equal to g v derivative minus u derivative divided by v. Okay, now okay, let's multiply by v here and here. You will get the usual the quotient formula. Okay, so here if you distributed this v over the bracket, gv v prime minus u prime v all divided by v squared. We know that this gv is u, so u times v prime minus u times v divided by v squared. Okay, therefore the quotient rule is the derivative of the g, that's equal to the derivative of the quotient of two functions u over v, that's equal to u times the v derivative minus u derivative times the v divided by the v squared. Okay, thank you.